Connor, what is that? What is it?
Vacuum.
A vacuum. Did Aunt Jamie give you that? Vacuum. Are you vacuuming? Vacuum, vacuum. You like it?
Uh-oh.
What's uh-oh? Good job. Vacuum. Yeah. Have you tried pressing the button? What happens when you press the button? It makes a fun noise. Look, this one right here. Come here. That one. There you go. Off. Off.
Up. Up.
Mm-hmm.
Up.
Yay! On.
Up.
On.
Da.
Are you vacuuming? Are you going to turn it off?
Up.
Good job. Okay, vacuum. Vacuum. Yay!
Up.
Woo! Off.
Under.
Yay! Off.
Up.
Woo! Is that on? Okay, vacuum. Woo! Vacuum. You like it?
Up.
On? Yeah, I see it. Yeah. You have a vacuum. Vacuum. Vacuum.
Up.
Is off? Mm-hmm. You're going to turn it on? On. Yay! You're going to vacuum? Vacuum. Yay! Yay for Aunt Jamie. Can you say Jamie? Jamie?
Open now.
That's the box. Are you going to vacuum those up? Can you say Jamie? I hope you're going to vacuum all those. Can you turn your vacuum off?
Up.
Can you turn it off? It's kind of loud. Connor, can you turn it off? Oh, it's going to turn itself off. On. Can you turn it off? Good job. Good job. Vacuum up your things. Vacuum. You're vacuuming and you're not scared. Are you all done? Come vacuum up your mess. Look. That's your mess, see it? Go vacuum it. Vacuum. Is it on? Off. Good job. Very good job. On. Off. It's off? Good job. Pick up your mess. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, I'll keep them. Thank you. Yay! Here's your vacuum. Yeah, here it is. Vacuum. Yeah, what's it doing now?
Uh-oh.
On. Off. Yay! Vacuum. Say Jamie. Thank you, Jamie. Say thank you, Jamie. All done. Can you say night night? Night night vacuum. Night night vacuum. Night night. Vacuum.